Let's see, Arena Resort right now, something like this. Okay, so there is the cable car stuff. So guys, this is the beautiful Tufandag Hotel. Tufandag, what's the name? Yes, it's Tufandag. There's ice here, maybe I will slip. Like that. Oh. Okay. Let's see what we got here. So we have to go upstairs. I mean, this is the resort hotel here. Okay. Ah, okay. He's there.
Dediğimizden bir balaz elini kaldırarak.
Let's go and check. So I'm going to the cable car office. It's in the 4th floor. Don't know Chumarti or something like this. Okay, let's see.
Check number 4029, one French fries. French fries siparişiniz hazırdı, yakınlaşın.
This is like a restaurant inside the hotel. So guys, here, okay, here is the stuff. Oh, now I'm slipping. So it's so good. So it's official that my shoes are not well enough for the ice. Certainly I will not be doing skating. Wish I can, but I think it will be risky for me. Let's just do the cable car stuff. I think it will be fine. So here is a chair lift. This is a chair lift. Here people are doing the skiing. I'm going here, the cable car. Map. I will be going from, I think, this spot to this spot. Amazing, huh? I think this is the starting point. Even the skiing guys, they are starting from it.
Gözlüğün düşsünler, gözlüğün.
Some of them keep a collar already. I'm scared. Oh my god, this thing is going in speed. Well, these guys in front of me, they're smiling. What's your name, brother? Name.
Mehma.
Mehmet. What's your name?
Kurban.
Kurban. Hiramash. Hello.
Fikret. Hello.
Fikret.
Your name?
Malik Inzamam.
Malik.
Yes. Wow, that's nice. Okay.
Your city Dubai?
Bahrain.
Bahrain?
Yeah. It's cool. I mean, it's very stable. It's not shaking. It's very comfortable.
Bir tane burada şey, ona öğrensen var.
This is my first station. I'll be going upwards. You know, I have taken the ticket for 2 stations. So I will go up. So this is the second spot. This is much higher. There is a huge curve as well. This looks more scary. I'm alone in this cable car. Unbelievable. You know, I'm scared, to be honest. Look at this. I mean, it's too high. It's amazing. I'm just enjoying the view. It's calm. It's cold. It's unbelievable. It's so amazing. It's so amazing. MashaAllah. See, no one other than me inside. All alone. I'm high up into the mountain, and now oh my god, my ears, you know, you feel this feeling when you're in the height in the plane, and you're you know, you can't hear something, your ears are feeling uncomfortable. I'm having the same feeling right now. My ears, they're closed or something. Okay boys, I'm way up the mountain. This is amazing. And you should try new things. I'm afraid of heights, but let's break it. Allah is the greatest. I mean, don't fear, no fear. Still, it's going way up. It's going way up. I think that's the finishing line. This thing will eventually finish. So guys, I think we're at the highest point of this resort. Yes, it is the highest point. Oh God, guys, this is the highest point here. I'm at the top. I'll just spend some time here. People are sliding over here as well, and this is a nice view. Mountains, snow. Oh wow. And it's not that cold. To be honest, again I'm saying this because I will feeling, oh my God, my clothes are not good enough. You know, I should have a very heavy jacket or something like this. But eventually, it is fine. It doesn't hurt me. So it's cool. The view looks quite nice from here. Mountains covered in snow, and it's calm here as well. Some of the people there are making noise, but it's still fun. So I'll head back now. I will go down. Nothing much, and people are just wandering around, but I have to go to other places as well. So I think it's okay. Just want to go back. So now on the return, the view is coming behind me. This is nice, guys. Too high. Look at this guy, what he's doing. Hello. Look at this guy. Ah, he's skiing. My
Yüreği var yanında.
Oh my goodness.
Allah
Whoa,
Allah.
whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh my God.
Goodness me, he survived. Dangerous sport, to be honest. Dangerous stuff. This skiing thing is not easy, guys. I must practice it somewhere safe and then try it on open spaces.
Bana yıkıldı. Senin gözün.
Oh my God. Skiing is difficult. People are they're falling now. They fell like, it's funny. So we're leaving the ski point and our point now. Look at this guy. He's talking to someone. What happened to you?
How was the start?
Oh wow, it's amazing.
Nice.
Brilliant, brilliant. What the
Station.
two stations.
Okay.
What the hell? Let's go. What the hell is this? This is paintings. Oh my God, 1800 Azerbaijani. Really? This is like praying mats or something? Looks to be. And this thing is 4500 Azerbaijani. Unbelievable. So guys, this is old mosque Gabala. This is a very famous mosque here. Okay, so just I was passing by it and I thought that I can share with you guys.